one more compound, so the super soft. You cannot hear anything.
Okay, 1 second.
Can you hear me now? Good. So I was saying that this year is even more difficult for us because we have 3 compounds, as you know, and the super soft is a very aggressive choice for this circuit, but it's also the preferred choice for the drivers, so they are going to use it in qualifying for sure, and some of them also during the race, depending on the weather, the degradation. It is very, very hot today. We have more than 50 degrees tarmac, and of course the tires are stressed a lot with this temperature.
So, 51 degrees tarmac today at the end of the session. Maybe it's raising up a little bit more. There is a new asphalt also in the track, new curbs. What does it mean on the general sense of for tires?
Yeah, new tarmac has a big influence on the tire. We had some comments yesterday from drivers about the level of grip. We had a dump session at the beginning, so it was even more difficult for them. The curves mean that they have slightly different lines. We saw a big improvement in lap time, so the cars are quicker, but also with the new tarmac and the new curves, the line are different. And that means that we are ready to see a very, very fast pole position this afternoon.
So Mario, I know it's very early to say, but the question from everybody is how many stops tomorrow in the race? Considering that everybody is working very much on super soft, the normal answer looks to be 2 stops. I mean, from 2 stops. You share that?
Yeah, but if you use the super soft as the main tire, 2 stops are not enough. That means that if you want to stay on a 2-stop strategy, probably they have to use the super soft at the beginning because they qualify on the super soft and then 2 stint with the soft tire. Or if you want to use the super soft, it's probably a 3-stop strategy, the right one. Then if tomorrow is colder and the tire are degrading less, it's a different story. So maybe 2 super soft and 1 soft come back as a possible strategy.
So guys, I hope you understood. It will be a lucky chance.